Hi, I'm Bob Voss, founder of BizOwnerTraining.com. I am also the author of this new book titled, Will My New Business Succeed? The Probability of Success Assessment. This book gives a person who is thinking of starting a business or has just started their business the probability of success of their new venture. But it does more than that. This book also educates the reader as to the strengths and weaknesses of their new business and helps identify the areas where the business may run into trouble. It is my goal and the goal of BizOwner Training to dramatically decrease business failures in the first year of operation. The book was developed as a workbook style book. It was designed to lay flat on a table because when you take the assessment and score it, you're going back and forth between the pages. Now, the first part of the book tells who the book was written for, some terms every business owner should understand, how to take the assessment, how to score the assessment, and what the scores mean. The assessment itself consists of 35 statements that require a yes, no, or in some cases an I'm not sure response. Your answers to these statements determine the probability of success of your new venture. The assessment rates your new business in 7 major categories. These categories are planning and research, knowing your customers, your CAP or customer acquisition plan, which is how you get your customers, how you as a new biz owner handle money, your business's financials, a category on you personally as the owner of a new business, and a category on whether your business is a product-driven business or a service-driven business. The second part of the book, and by far away the longest part, is the education part where the real learning takes place. I strongly encourage you to read this book with a pen or pencil. It was designed so you could take notes in the margins. You will get some great insights and some great ideas as you read this, and be sure to write them down. In this part, each category is discussed, each statement is explained, and each possible response is examined as to why some responses increase the probability of success and different responses decrease the probability of success. Now, this is not a boring read. In fact, one career counselor who read the first draft of the book sent me this email. I'd like to read this to you. Bob, I'm almost done reading your book and I think it is excellent, especially for people who don't know where to start to get their small business idea off the ground. Your stories help to make it an enjoyable read while also providing the reader with valuable information. I took it to Duluth with me to read in the car and honestly didn't want to put it down. Now, granted, it's not the latest thriller on the market, but the information is succinct and flows well with one topic to the next. The assessment is excellent and well defined. And this is a person who lives her life to helping other people get businesses off the ground and helping people find careers. As for those people who also have multiple business ideas, and a lot of people come to me with more than one business idea, we've included in the book a second set of assessments and assessment statements and a second scorecard as well. This book took over 2 years to create, and the assessment went through 2 major revisions. It's been given 100 times, and the response to the assessment is wonderful. When people take the assessment, I ask for feedback and testimonials. One of them that I'm going to read to you right now came from Jeff, who runs a company called Custom Coffee Products and Printing. What he said about the assessment was this. By the way, Jeff scored a 24/11 on the assessment, which means he is in the medium-high category for probability of success. This is what Jeff said. This assessment identified a hole in our business financials, specifically profitability. After reading about the financial section of the assessment, I was able to refine our product line and pricing structure, which now sets us apart from the competition. And I'll give you a little hint. He raised his prices. We are now a 28.7, which is in the high probability of success, and have achieved profitability. These kind of testimonials are very common from people who have taken the assessment. It's my belief that if you're thinking of starting a business, then buying this assessment and taking the probability of success assessment is the best single thing you can do prior to launching your business. And I am, of course, providing a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied with this purchase. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to your feedback and your testimonials on how this assessment helped you answer the question, will my new business succeed?